There's a gazillion different versions of miter saw tables, and this is my version. I basically decided to go to Ikea and buy these cabinets. They are, I would say, cheaper than you can buy the plywood or MDF board at the lumberyard. So they're all finished and create a lot of space for storage underneath the station. Then I have put up a fence, aluminum, giving you quite a long area to work on, and of course you can clamp to the fence an end stop, so you can make a series of equally long pieces. So if you want to follow how I did, you can hang in. Yeah, for quite some time I've had the wish to have a station for my miter saw, so that I can have something protruding from each end and make it much easier to do the cuts of long aluminum profiles. So I've been looking around in the workshop, and I have this wall over here where there's some old cabinets hanging on the wall, and a leftover kitchen cabinet, and some router table and a compressor. So my idea was essentially to get some more of these Ikea cabinets and put them along the wall, and then basically make the station there. So the first thing I will be doing is going to Ikea and get a few more of these cabinets. Essentially they are so cheap that I can hardly buy the MDF plate and do all the work myself to make them. So it's way easier and way cheaper to just go buy that stuff in Ikea. So off to Ikea. Yeah, so here we are. We have all the Ikea parts here. It's from a series called Method. It's kitchen, basically made as a wall-mounted cabinet, but I'll use it standing. And then I got all the hinges and handles and all that. So I'll start with making the base. I've cleared out the mess that I had here, and then I will make a base and secure that it is level. I have this long aluminum profile I can use to test it, and already now I have seen that here at this end here we have some problem. So we'll most likely need to do some adjustments in order to make the whole thing level on the floor that is not 100% level. The first module in place, and then it's just a matter of assembling the rest of those I just bought. Yeah, so enough for today. Now I have all the modules mounted, and next will be to work on the surface and making some kind of box to fit the miter saw on the lower module. Yeah, so next I will be mounting the top panel. It'll have to go all the way to the black wall to keep dust away from falling behind the cabinets. And maybe you can see it, maybe you can't, but there are some big beams here that I need to make some holes for. And as of now I have been cutting a template in paper that should fit around this one, and the second one for the beam over here. I may be able to show you that one. It's a little difficult to see. Whoops. But probably you can see it. It's this one at that angle, so I need to fix that also. Yeah, so now I have also made the tabletop for the left side, and then the next piece will be to make kind of a box here which will fit on top of this one, that lifts the miter saw up sufficiently so that the cut surface will be level with the this surface here. And then of course the final thing will be to put up some kind of fence to put things up against. But I'll start to make the box here. It's gonna be a plate here, and then on top of the plate I'll make a box out of a couple of these, and then a plate on top again. Yeah, so now I have all the top plates made, and I have fixed all the boxes to the floor frame and aligned the front. And then the last piece I'm currently doing is with this long aluminum profile. I'm securing that it touches all the way, and in order to have that happen, I have added some of these small plastic strips. I have different colors, they have different thickness. Like I added some of these here, blue 1 millimeter, and I think black is 1.5 millimeter. I simply put them in here, maybe you can see it right there, to secure that the profile touches all over the surface, and now it is, and there's no any problem here. So it's very nice now, and I think I'm ready to mount the top with screws. Now, since I had the camera on, I have now removed all the old cabinets, and I put in place the box to lift up the miter saw, and down here in this box I have some power now, and you can see here that the miter saw is really nice and level. So next will be to fix it to the box, and then make a fence that that extends to this surface here all the way out. Yeah, so now I managed to get all the cabinet doors on, and it's starting to look like a finished project. The last piece would be to make a fence, and I did try to use the sheet that I got here, but it was far too wobbly to be any good. So I got this one, which is 50-30 2mm aluminum extrusion, and I will use the 50 to be the place where I can hold the piece to, and the 30 to hold it down on the top of the board here. So that will be the next thing I will be doing, cutting appropriate length of aluminum and mounting them on the top so that they are parallel to this line here. Yeah, and so then I got the fence on, screwed it on, and I would say now it's finished. I'm ready to try it out, which I will be doing while cutting a lot of these V-slot extrusions that I just got. I'll cut them into nice pieces.